Hi everyone, let's see what you can do if your CD or DVD drive is not reading discs. To get started, simply search for Device Manager and open it. Now expand the DVD CD-ROM drives, then right-click over the ROM, go to its properties, go to the driver tab and click on Rollback Driver if it is active. If it is not working, then right-click over the ROM, then click on Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer, select this option, select the CD-ROM drive, click on Next to install the driver and see if this resolves the issue or not. If it is not working, then right-click over the ROM and click on Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall. Once uninstalled, close the Device Manager and restart your computer once. After restart, if you go to Device Manager, you will see that the DVD CD-ROM will be back again and the issue should get resolved. However, if it is not showing, then scan here. Click on this icon to scan for the hardware changes. Additionally, make sure the CD or DVD you are using is free from any dirt, and also try to clean the CD laser using a dry cotton cloth. So doing this will bring back the reading capability of the CD or DVD ROM. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.